This is my life in Japan. Hey guys, so if you didn't know, we live in Okinawa, Japan, but today all of our stuff was packed up and put on a truck except for a few things like our beds because we are moving back to the United States. So all of our stuff was taken. Okay, not all of our stuff, but most of our stuff was taken, and this is what my room looks like now. That's what basically most of the house looks like, pretty empty and bare. But I did go to the mall today with my friends, and I'm gonna show you what I bought from Daiso. I love Daiso. First off, I got these, is anyone even, I don't know if you guys really care, but I got these chopsticks, extendable chopsticks, in this nice little case. This little mirror compact mirror. It has a little sumo wrestler on it. It's pretty cute. Then I got socks. Daiso has the cutest. Are these not for, wait, I don't know. Are these gonna fit me? Women. Okay, it says girls socks and then it says women's. They have really cute cat faces on them with two different color eyes. This, I'm really excited about these. I just think that they're really, really cute. They're tissues. Oops. Okay, I got this little bell. Anyway, that's it. Alright, it's the next day, June 5th, and it's our last day in our house. I woke up at 7:30 this morning. Actually, I was waking up at 7:30 this morning. They came and they took our beds. Actually, they took my brother's bed yesterday, so he had to sleep on a couch with no cushions, because they also took the cushions. I realized that I did not film the rest of the house. So let's go look at that and see what's going on. Okay, so literally everything is out of our living room now. There's all of our stuff getting ready to go to America. Our kitchen. Parents' room, obviously. I mean, there's just nothing. There's nothing left. Brother's room. It's never looked this clean before. So I'm gonna go walk to Aeon Mall now and go get some lunch because I haven't eaten anything today and I'm really hungry. It's actually a really, really nice day out. Like, it's not too hot, surprisingly, and it's really beautiful. Alright, so I'm at the mall now. Not a lot of people here. I've opened up my Japanese, or just, it's a sweet potato, but this is Japanese pumpkin, and it's really good. Just having a typhoon or tsunami test alert. So I'm the last one in our house. This is probably the last time that I'll come here, and I'm so sad. The reason I'm here by myself is because my parents and everybody left with all of our stuff, and my friend's gonna pick me up and take me to a party. I wouldn't have even fit in our car anyway because we had too much stuff. My friend's here. Bye bye. All right, so it's the next day. It is June 6th, and we're down to 4 days on Okinawa. We are now living in the lodge, and we moved out of our house, and we had breakfast this morning, and we had a really nice view. And I'm so sad because I don't want to leave, and I really, really like it here, and it's so pretty. Can't believe that I got to live here still. It's a dream come. Actually, it's not a dream come true because I never dreamed of living here, but it felt like a dream. Oh, okay, so that's That's what's up so far. So it is currently Monday, and on Saturday we took a trip to see the Catherine Castle ruins. And here's some clips from that, but I made a whole entire video about it if you'd like to go watch the whole thing. And then on Sunday, we went to breakfast, and then I went over to my Japanese friend's house. Her name's Emmy, and we put on yukatas. And she gave me a yukata, and it's so pretty. I love it. The colors are so pretty. The yellow and the blue together. Hontoni arigatou gozaimasu, Emmy-san. I really love it. It's so pretty. Emmy's family gave us this super delicious cake made with beni imo sweet potatoes, which are like a really popular Okinawan thing, and it is so good. Thank you, Emmy. We're not really doing anything that exciting in the room, but I'm gonna dye my hair tonight because why not? I had to wash my hair because it was kind of greasy. There's a hair dryer in here, and I'm gonna try it out. It's not plugged in though. That's it. It's hot. Okay, so I dyed my hair. I also put on a face mask. I did not get my hair being dyed on video because I was on the phone. Tomorrow, all of our baggage is going to the airport early in the morning. And then we're not gonna have all of our clothes or anything for a whole day. And then the next day we're gonna go to the airport and get on the plane and go to America. But all of our baggage is going tomorrow because we can't fit in our car with all of the luggage that we have. Oh, this is also what our hotel looks like. Here's a hotel tour. Here's all the trash. Here's the trash, a trash bin tour. And then all of our food. And all of these dishes. 20 bags of luggage. Mom doing her nails. And then over here, bedroom. And then a bathroom. It's nothing really all that exciting. But there's also a TV. You can get a bunch of Japanese talk shows, which are really interesting. Let's turn the TV on. Where's the Let's not. Just for a little bit. Why is it wet? Ew. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's a drama on tonight. Now this one might be good, but typically it's usually just talk shows. They're always talking about food. In case you didn't know, Japanese TV is very different than American TV, as well as their commercials. This is a really good example of Japanese commercials. Like, most commercials have that kind of energy. What was with that commercial? So this is Japanese TV. Classic, straight from Japan, Japanese TV. They sing a lot. They have a lot of singing in their commercials. It just clicked in my brain. See, it's like the ice skating one. Okay. This stuff, I love this stuff. I get this from Eon. This is, sorry, it's one of my favorite drinks here. So we're doing something super exciting. We left the hotel room and we're gonna go get the laundry. Yeah, get the laundry, I know. So fun, huh? It looks like it's really cold out there. It's not. Wow, the laundry room. What? Hey guys. In today's video, we're going to do a tour of the hotel laundry room. You're not in it! Stop saying that! And Mom's always like, don't put me in the videos. Like, Latin night at the Palms Enlisted Lounge. So, if you're into Latin dancing, this might be for you. Saturdays from 9 p.m. to midnight. Here's the number if you want to call. Join us for craft beer and karaoke all night long. All night long. Learn how to make a kimakomi. A kimakomi. This little doll. Actually, that's pretty cute. Mom, how come I never learned how to make a kimakomi? Okay, and then over here, we have employees only, which is obviously for me. I guess not. Clothing dryer safety. You know, in case you don't know how to properly use a dryer. Well, I have a story. When I came over here to do my laundry, I didn't know how to turn it on, but the button's right here. But I was only reading the pause part, so I did this. And then I was like, because I thought maybe you have to like pull this out. No, it just comes off like that. So that's not how you work a washer. You can't even tell I'm sitting on a washer. I don't care. Go make me pee my pants. Let me just. Is it because I'm overweight? No, it's like government property. Yeah, this place is really, really cold right now. Well, I think it's always cold. It's not just right now, but it's freezing in here. That's a laundry room tour.
That's about it.
Alright, hey guys, this is our last day in Japan. It's 10 o'clock at night, and tomorrow around like 6 o'clock we're gonna get up and fly to America. And this has literally been the best year of my life living here. We've lived here for 1 year. And I can't believe we're moving. And I'm sad to go, but it's been amazing that I've been able to live here, and I'm very grateful. Plus, even if my family wasn't moving back to the United States, I would have to go back anyway because I graduated this year. So it actually worked out pretty well since we're all going back together. Also, this is this is my hair that I dyed yesterday. But yeah, we really didn't do much today. Am I really gonna look like this at the end of my video? We really didn't do much today. We just walked to get something to eat, and that was about it. If you'd like to see more videos from my channel, because I can't say from Asia anymore, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate you and your view. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time, which will probably be on the plane, because I'm gonna make a video about riding on the plane. All right. Bye-bye. Thanks, guys.